Yes, student. Next one is reaction of metals with oxygen. Most of the metals, most of the metals reacts with oxygen to form metallic oxide or simple called metal oxide. Okay, you can write M plus O2 forms what? MO2. Okay, or different formula having oxide, different formula having what? Oxides. Okay, like sodium reacts with water and forms Na2O. That is, you can write 4Na plus O2 Na2O. Similarly 4K plus O2 react to form K2O. Getting 2K2O2. This is called what? This is vigorous reaction. This is vigorous reaction. Okay. Hence, to protect sodium and potassium metal kept immersed in water, kerosene oil, kept immersed in what? Kerosene oil. It is because they are what? Highly reactive. Okay. Some other metal like for what? Aluminium. It also reacts with oxygen to form Al2O3, but the reaction is not so vigorous. Okay. Like the sodium and potassium, the reaction is not so vigorous. Similarly, magnesium. Okay. It also reacts with water and form magnesium oxide. Therefore, before reacting the magnesium and aluminum like metal, they are very first scratched. That is, the magnesium oxide layer and the aluminum oxide layer are scratched properly. Okay, student, actually what? Nature of these metal oxide. Okay, these metal oxides are basic in nature. That is, when reacts with water H2O, they forms bases. You know that the reaction like Na2O plus H2O. Okay, it forms 2NaOH. Okay, this is called what? Base. Okay, similarly potassium also. Okay, but metal oxide of other elements like what? Al2O3. Okay, do not easily react with water. Water. Okay, next one is reaction of metal with water. Okay, like simply we know that metal reacts with water. Okay, and forms what? Base plus releases hydrogen gas we have seen in earlier classes. Like here, if you took example of sodium and potassium like metal, okay, so plus H2O, it forms NaOH plus H2 gas. Now student, here you can see release of H2 gas, okay, and formation of base. So therefore again we need to kept immersed these type of metal in kerosene oil so that their reactivity can be stopped. Okay, so this is what hydrogen gas generally it is asked in the example. Some other metals like what? Aluminium. Aluminium easily do not react with water, but reacts with steam. But reacts with steam. You know what is steam? That is hot vapor of water. This is called what? Steam. Okay. To form aluminium oxide. Similarly, iron also reacts with steam. We have seen this reaction in balancing of reaction. Fe plus H2O, it forms Fe2O3 plus releases what? H2 gas. So actually what? The reactivity of metal towards different substance depends on nature and the valence electron, okay, present in element. Okay, so as lesser the number of valence electron, more is the reactivity. Student, we have seen this reaction, okay, in our previous topic. This is Fe3O4 plus H2, getting, and we have balanced this reaction also.